Hey guys, welcome to Hanaa Hacks AI. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a new AI tool or a new AI prompt, a new way of you using AI that will simply make your life easier. So today I wanted to bring you this hack on styling. It's a bit of a weird hack, but my team really wanted me to talk to you about it. So what I do sometimes is I take a picture of a clothing that I'm going to wear, whether it's a top or a dress, and of course my own picture as well, and I upload both on ChatGPT, and I ask it to tell me what scarf I should style it with, what makeup or what accessories I should go with, something that would complement my skin tone, and as well it will look all good together. And then I get a ton of good suggestions. As you can see, probably my team will be putting it here on the screen. So that's a good tool for you to use if you want to style yourself. You can just take a picture of your clothing and make sure you have a picture of yourself as well. Send to ChatGPT so that they can recommend something based on your skin color. And yeah, there you go. You have your own personal stylist with the AI. I hope that was useful to you. If you're still here, thank you for watching Hanaa Hacks AI. Stay tuned for more video and for more content coming from Leadapreneur on how to build innovative leaders in the age of AI.